Alright. Yeah. Okay. They put me up on the pedestal, see my swag is impeccable. Get my point like a decimal, niggas know I'm incredible. Better do what I'm telling you, sick as fucking infectable. Exceptional, eating these rappers and they delectable. Like Hannibal Lecter, truly an intellectual nigga that's not gonna lecture you. I'm just gonna be respectable and let you know I've done some things that are regrettable. But now I know if I do my thing, it's all repairable. But not quite, let me hit this flight and take flight. I ain't never gonna stop, no brake lights. I ain't never left out, I make rights. Always, I'ma grind till late night. I'ma eat these beats, gonna get a fork and steak knife. My flow is A1 sauce, and that's gonna make it taste right. Spit this shit with all my might, I'm on that green like I'm Sprite. Spit that coke when I'm hype. No Coca-Cola, my bro, that I mean that shit in that pipe. And not that soda that's bubbling up, you know that I'm right. 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 They keep saying I'm killing it, I'm expecting they feeling it. How real is this? The illest one always coming and ripping shit. I'm drilling it like I'm fixing it, so I just pull out my tool. Since I'm catching my breath, I'ma let you know this rules. I don't wear blue, better get a clue. See, I'm a fucking gangster. You come through and we don't know you, then you in fucking danger. We gon' do what we gon' do, we don't do well with strangers. I stay fresh and fully pressed, I should be on the hanger. And your name is irrelevant, see I smoke till I levitate. Ring the bell right at heaven gate, and if they decide that they don't wanna let me in, then I'ma sneak around the back and I'ma hop the fin. I hope you niggas is listening, see my flow is so different. Always stacking my dividends, fuck with it, nigga discipline. I put them in detention, then you say you know somebody better. You must be kidding. You know that I'm right, you know that I'm right. You know that I'm right, you know that I'm right. You know that I'm right.